Now, parallelogram is a four-sided polygon, is it? In which opposite sides are parallel. So we have this like one parallelogram now. Okay. Let us say the vertex is named like A, B, C and D. The first vertex is x1, y1. Second vertex is x2, y2. Third vertex is x3, y3. We don't know the fourth vertex. Let me take it as A, B. Okay. Clear? So the fourth vertex we need to find. All these things we know. Fourth one is unknown. We know one property of parallelogram. Diagonals of a parallelogram, they bisect each other. Okay, that means what? AC and BC, they are bisected. These two. That doesn't mean that AB is equal to, AC is equal to BD. They are not equal. But when this point, let us say this point is P, this point divides them equally. Okay, that acts as a midpoint for both the line. So P is the midpoint of AB and why I am writing AB? Sorry, AC and BD. Alright. Now find the midpoint of AC, man. Midpoint of AC is what? x1 plus x3 by 2. You remember midpoint formula? Same like y1 plus y3 by 2. Same like midpoint of BD. Midpoint of BD is what? A plus x2 by 2, B plus y2 by 2. These 2 points are same, is it or not? They have the same midpoint. So that means that this x1 plus x3 by 2 and y1 plus y3 by 2 is equals to A plus x2 by 2 and B plus y2 by 2. When 2 points are equal, we say x coordinate is equal to x coordinate, right? So that is what it will happen. We have x1 plus x3 by 2 is equals to A plus x2 by 2. So by 2 will get cancelled. We'll get x1 plus x3 is equals to A plus x2, and we have A is equals to x1 plus x3 minus x2. Same happens for B. B what we will get means, similarly B is equals to y1 plus y3 minus y2. See, this is the formula, but we don't need to memorize this formula. Simply the concept I explained. Okay. So this is how we should prove in the descriptive form whenever the points are given. We'll say one example. Shall I erase this? Yes or no? Okay. Finish writing. A is 6, 1, B is 8, 2, C is 9, 4. Then find D, which is A, B, or else X, B, whatever you can take. Have you done writing this here? Shall I erase? Shall we? Okay. See, in place of x1, y1, replace this point 6, 1. x2, y2, replace this point 8, 2. x3, y3, replace this point 9, 4. This stays as it is. Okay. So midpoint of these two is equal to midpoint of these two. Using that concept, like this we can prove. Alright. So, shall I erase this? So directly how we can write means the diagonals are bisect each other, and we know 6 plus 9 by 2 comma 1 plus 4 by 2. What I am writing is midpoint of AC, man, is equal to the midpoint of BD, that is A plus 8 by 2, B plus 2 by 2. Alright, and then equate them, equate these two. 6 plus 9 by 2, A plus 8 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. We get A is equals to 6 plus 9 minus 8. 6 plus 9 is 15 minus 8. So we have A is equal 7. Alright. And then B, man, 1 plus 4 by 2 is equals B plus 2 by 2. By 2 by 2 cancelled. We have B is equals to 1 plus 4 minus 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 minus 2, 3. So the fourth vertex is, therefore, the fourth vertex is what, man? A comma B, that is 7 comma 3. Alright. This is in the case of descriptive form. Suppose the same question asked in the objective form means you don't need to do all this. Simply, you don't need to memorize that formula either. What I said, no, x1 plus x3 minus x2. If you can memorize, you can memorize that as a formula. Or simply what you can do means, A is there, right? There will be two adjacent side to A. Adjacent vertices we call. Who are all two adjacent? This is adjacent, that is adjacent. You put directly A is equal to, add the adjacent. See, for A, adjacent is, for this point D, this is adjacent and this is adjacent, right? So add the x coordinates. This x coordinate is equal to sum of these x coordinates minus this opposite you should subtract, man. 8. And B is also same. Who is adjacent for this point D? A and C, right? You just add the adjacent y coordinates, subtract the opposite. That's all. So it is 14 minus 8, which is, 15 minus 8, which is 7, and this is 5 minus 2, which is 3. In case of MCQ, I am saying only in case of MCQ, not for descriptive. Okay, you don't need to memorize the formula. Simply add the adjacent, subtract the opposite. That's all. Okay. Now I'll give you one more question. See, example 2. The vertices are, take directly they are given 1 comma 2, 4 comma y, x comma 6 and 3 comma 5. Is our shortcut works here? See, first of all, the points are not labeled properly. We'll label them like A, B, C, D. Okay, and just plot them on the rough diagram. A is 1 comma 2, B is 4 comma y, C is, this is C, x comma 6, D is 3 comma 5. Alright, you just choose any one. If you want to find this x means, for MCQ purpose, again I am saying for MCQ purpose, if you want to find this x means, directly put x. What is the formula I said? Formula in the sense, the idea, add the adjacent. Who is adjacent for C, man? Come on, adjacent for C. Adjacent means these two are adjacent, man. So this ends with the x coordinate. 3. This ends with x coordinate 4. I added the adjacent. Then what? Hey, you people are getting it or not? Minus. Subtract the opposite. Who is opposite to C? 1. So it is 6. Okay. Same like you say for y. Y is there. Who is adjacent to y? These 2 points. So their y coordinates you should add, not x coordinate. 2 plus 6. So here 2, here 6. I added the adjacent minus the opposite, which is 5. So which is 3. That's all for MCQ purpose. In the case of descriptive, you should solve like this. Alright? Any doubts? It's better you can write to find a vertex, just add the x coordinate of the adjacent vertex minus x coordinate of the opposite vertex. Shall I erase this? X coordinate of 4th vertex equals to x coordinate sum of x coordinates, we call them abscissa, of adjacent vertex minus x coordinate of the opposite vertex. Okay, that is it. Just mark this like a simple formula. Remember, whenever it is recalled, revising, do it. Okay. Any doubts on this?